Hi guys, good morning. We will discuss the yesterday analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty using CPR and pure points here. Yesterday first bar was a bullish pin bar here, which closes above the previous session high. I told you in previous videos, whenever previous day range was broken by any first candle, but there should not be any pivot immediately at the candle close. You can enter long here. This is the entry here. This will be the stop loss. Take profit at next pivot. According to our strategy, this entire zone was broken by this candle. That's the reason we entered here. Okay. After giving a small move, it reversed back and took our stop loss yesterday. And this strategy failed. If you are waiting for the 2 hour risk reward, then this did not work yesterday. So our next opportunity again to go short is, if first candle is a green candle, we can go short if any candle close below the first candle or day low. This is the entry bar and this will be the stop loss. Take profit will be in CPR. But yesterday we avoided the trade because immediately there is a CPR. And this was not a perfect strategy. CPR may act as a powerful support, okay. Also, wick already crossed here. If you see here on 5th candle, wick was already crossed the day low. So we should see the wick now. We should wait for the wick to cross. Wick was crossed again here. This is the place where entire zone was broken, but immediately there was a CPR, so there is no entry again. So another opportunity we have here, this is the fake breakout strategy. Okay, once we know that day high was broken, this was the day high actually. The green horizontal which I have marked here, that's the day high. When day high was broken, everyone will jump into the trade. When they will see back-to-back green candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles here. They are thinking like market is going to have a trending day, but we know that CPR is average here, so it can be a sideways day. So we did not enter the any breakout trade here. We are waiting for the perfect retracement trades here. Even this was a retracement trade, retracing back to the CPR. So we have waited for the fake breakout. Once day high was broken, again it indicating the small 2 green candles, which is high probable for the breakouts. Then there was a consolidation here. Remember one thing here, if any breakout trades, suppose this was a supply zone, right? Market had a crash from supply zone here. Means sellers are sitting here. Once seller stop loss was triggered, all buy orders will trigger here and market will have a solid up move here. So what you have to see is seller stop loss here. After back-to-back green bars, once this consolidation is taking place, means you should know that breakout is going to be filed. Keep that in mind, okay. So once we saw that consolidation is taking place, I waited for the reversal bar. We enter short here, stop loss just above the day high. Give some space to the day high here. For suppose day high was here, this was the day high. So what you have to do is, you have to keep your stop loss just above the day high. This is the stop loss and take profit at 2 hour. What is 2 hour and when is your entry here? This is your entry point, right? We have taken entry once candle come below the R1 pivot. So how many point was your stop loss? Stop loss was almost 100 points here. Target should be 200 points, okay. So it gave almost 240 points here. This was the place to book your profit. Don't keep stop loss immediately near the previous day high. If you see here, it came almost near the stop loss, but yesterday it did not touch. If you see this, this is the day high, right? You have to keep your stop loss after the day high. This is the entry point and this is the stop loss. So price almost came near the day high, but did not cross our stop loss. So wait for the stop loss. Don't get panic like my stop loss will hit here. Once you fixed your target and stop loss, either you have to wait for the target or else you have to wait for the stop loss. You should not get panic or else you should not get exit quickly. So if you are emotional trader, I mean when you are winning small and getting big losses, if you are such kind of trader, your capital will wipe out one day. When you are winning, you must have to win big. At least 1:2 risk reward you have to win. Till that time you don't book your profits, okay. Afterwards, there is no perfect entry. Kindly like the video and hit the subscribe button here. We will meet in next analysis video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.